How to change country on H&M app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change country or region while currently using the H&M application. First is open up the app and ensure that you're using the latest version of the application so you will not encounter any bugs, issues, or any crashes. Make sure that you're logged in into your H&M account before changing anything. Changing country or language is very easy. All I have to do is to tap this magnifying glass below, right side of the Home tab, and then in here, scroll all the way down, and then choose on App Settings. So as you can see under Regional Settings, you should be able to current um, country or region that you're in right now. Just simply tap in it, and then you can go ahead and choose the region that you prefer to be adding on your phone, or you can even change to the current country that you're in right now. And that's it. That is how simple and easy you can change country on H&M app.